Assalamualaikum. My name is Aina Izzati binti Darus. I will present my research proposal with the title Effect of Dehydration Process on the Hydroxymethylfurfural Formation and Antioxidant Activity of Stingless bee honey. Presentation outline consists of introduction, literature review, material and method, expected outcome, Gantt chart, and references. This is for my introduction. First is background of study. Bees are divided into two groups, which are stingless bee and honeybee. For stingless bee, there are three products produced, which are honey, bee bread, and propolis. Next is problem statement. Common problems that relate with stingless bee honey are the heat treatment applied causes the stingless bee honey to become darker in color. The formation of hydroxymethylfurfural in honey will affect the quality of stingless bee honey. And the next problem is foamy honey because of the fermentation process. For significant study, this research will give additional information about stingless bee honey and its quality. Next, manufacturers that involved will gain new knowledge on the alternative treatment, and consumers will also get benefits when consuming stingless bee honey. The objective of this research are to investigate the effect of dehydration time on the formation of hydroxymethylfurfural in stingless bee honey. Next is to determine the effect of dehydration time on the antioxidant activity of stingless bee honey. Now, we move to literature review. So, stingless bee honey basically produced by Heterotrigona itama, Lepidotrigona terminata, and Geniotrigona thoracica, known as the most prevalent stingless bee species in Malaysia. Honey produced by stingless bee is different from honey that produced by honeybees or apis in its sucrose, acidity, mineral composition, viscosity, and moisture content. So, what is honey interlinked dehydration and dispenser apparatus or HILDA system? HILDA was developed to achieve hygienic honey management and also to maintain the high quality of honey in Malaysia. This working station could solve the problem of post-harvest management among beekeepers such as foamy and souring honey. And next, HILDA system also not using any heating element and is based on a model of a mini laboratory. Next, this table shows the effect of processing method on the hydroxymethylfurfural and antioxidant of honey. There are two types of treatment for honey, which are thermal and non-thermal processing. The examples of method that use thermal processing for stingless bee honey is microwave heating and double boiling process. For microwave heating, the moisture content and antioxidant activity of stingless bee honey was reduced throughout the process by using this method. For double boiling process, the antioxidant activity was reduced with increasing the time and temperature by the treatment. The hydroxymethylfurfural value was increased by increasing the time and temperature. Next is ultrasound or thermosonication, known as non-thermal processing. This process helped to increase the phenolic content in stingless bee honey. Now, we move to materials and method. Material that will be used is cellulose or stingless bee honey. The stingless bee honey will be obtained directly from supplier in Terengganu. First of all, the stingless bee honey will undergo the dehydration process using HILDA system. The honey will be dehydrated with variation in time, which are 2 hours, 4 hours, and 6 hours. The temperature for HILDA is maintained for 37 degrees Celsius. For the analysis of hydroxymethylfurfural, the concentration of HMF will be measured by using a spectrophotometer white method. Honey sample will be added with distilled water, and next current solution 1 and 2 will be added to the same volumetric flask. After that, the mixture will be filtered and discard the first 10 ml, and next 5 ml of mixture will be poured into 2 test tubes. One tube will be added with 5 ml of sodium bisulfite solution as the reference solution, and the other one will be added with distilled water as sample solution. The absorbers will be read at 284 nanometer and 336 nanometer. Next is analysis of antioxidant. The first one is determination of total phenolic compound. It will be determined based on the modification of the Folin seal culture method. Honey will be added with Folin seal culture reagent, sodium carbonate solution, and distilled water. Next, the mixture will be kept in the dark for 90 minutes, and the absorbers will be read at 725 nanometer by using spectrophotometer. For the determination of total flavonoid compound, the total flavonoid content of Stingless bee honey samples will be determined by using a calorimetric assay by some modification. Honey sample will be mixed with methanol and sodium nitrite. After 5 minutes, aluminum chloride will be added and followed by sodium hydroxide solution 6 minutes later. The absorbance will be measured at 510 nanometer by using spectrophotometer. Next, the free radical scavenging activity in Stingless bee honey will be measured by using DPPH reagent with some modification. DPPH reagent will be mixed with methanol to produce methanolic solution. Next, honey solution will be mixed with methanolic solution and the mixture will be shaken. After 50 minutes, the absorbance will be read at 570 nanometer by using spectrophotometer. The last one is antioxidant activity by Fred method. It will be determined by using the ferric reducing antioxidant power from assay with some modification. First, we need to prepare the Fred reagent, and next, the honey will be mixed with Fred reagent and continue the process with incubation for 10 minutes at 37 degrees Celsius. After that, the absorbance will be read at 593 nanometer by using spectrophotometer. The expected outcomes are hydroxymethylfurfural formation in dehydrated honey has low value because the dehydration process using Hilda system will help to reduce the moisture content from 35% to 18% without using a heating element that will affect the quality of the honey. It is expected that the antioxidant of Stingless bee honey will increase when treated with the Hilda system. So, this is my Gantt chart. And this is my references based on my proposal presentation. That's all from me. Thank you.